Hi there YouTubers, in today's video I will be showing you how to fit a DCC chip to two different locals. One is a Hornby Class 55 diesel and the other one's a Bachmann 57XX pannier tank. The only reason I'm showing you two different locals is because on this loco, there, you may be able to see it there, there is a clip, and that's the same there, and on the other side as well. However, with this locomotive, underneath, you remove these main couplings to show a screw which is there. All the tools I use for this type is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Right, let's get started. First of all, if you want to DCC a loco like this, let me point out both of these are DCC ready. Just try and get your fingers underneath the body to try and pull the pins out. Like so, making the inside visible. Like that. What you see there is the socket for the DCC chip. Now we'll put the body aside for a moment and we'll focus on the body. When you open the packet, you'll see instructions, which I just ripped. Let me point out to you, it is a very, very cold night in Wales today. And it has been all over Britain for the past couple of weeks. Just has some random rubbish that you don't really need. Except somewhere along the lines they do point out that it easily overheats, making no point whatsoever for the little black DCC jackets you find. It's a good idea not to go rubbing your feet all over the carpet with socks, because you can easily damage the little chip with static energy. Right, after you eventually get the packet opened, what you'll first notice is what a lot of wires. But here there is a little blue wire just away from everything else. I'm not going to worry about that too much for now. Be careful. That little black thing there must come out. It's a bit of foam used to protect the little pins. All you do after that is remove this by gently plying it out of its little socket, like that, and then you don't need that anymore. But don't throw it away. If you want to DCC your locos for some reason, they'll always come in handy for and there you have it. That is your DCC loco. Now you just need to find a way to try and make it fit. Like so. And when you have the body on, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, you have a DCC fitted loco. Now, for the other loco, the pannier tank, we will be taking the NEM couplings off and the body to show the motor, which you will be able to plug your DCC chip straight into. Again, gently ply the NEM couplings out with your flathead screwdriver. You can either use a screwdriver or, if you really wanted to, a knife, but I would recommend the screwdriver as that doesn't ruin the body or the NEM couplings. Now the body should just come right off. Ta-da! Now, what really matters, make sure you don't get these little screws lost, because they are very, very small. Now, as you can see, you have the DCC socket, which, like you did for the other loco, gently ply it out like that. And when you pull it out, don't suddenly go, it's only got 6 pins, I've lost all the others, No, that is meant to be like that. So we put that aside. Sorry about my gigantic hand. Now, it is quite a bit harder to fit the chip into this one, as you need to be moving everything round to be able to fit it in. I do admit it's not the best of ways to, best of places to put the DCC socket. Very fiddly to even try to get this DCC socket pin to try and stay, really. I suppose it is designed for backward DCC pins. Anyway, once you've fiddled around with trying to get that in the best position, it will be very easy to just try and fit it in. Anyway, that's all for now. Now I'm going to battle with this DCC chip to try and fit it into the tiny body of this loco. See you in the other videos. Bye bye.